Hello, in front of me I got Volvo S60. In this video I'll show you how safe this car is. The S60 scored 5 stars in Euro NCAP with very high scores for adult and child protection and strong performance of its Safety AEB system. The highlights are excellent frontal and side impact performance. Many tests show maximum or near maximum points. Safety AEB works from 4 km per hour and can prevent or mitigate rear end crashes, including with pedestrians, cyclists in later years. Lane keep assist, speed assistant and seatbelt reminders on all seats contribute to high safety assist scores. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.